All right, so we're looking over the review for the semester exam. So this is everything that we've talked about all year, okay? Starting with rational numbers. Okay. Third and seventh is 12, 15, and then I'll look at the rest later. Okay, first question. This is the Venn diagram visual that we have discussed at the beginning of the year. What's the smallest set of numbers that belongs in the center or in the smallest circle?
Natural numbers.
Natural numbers. So I'm going to come down here and write natural. And then what goes around it?
Whole numbers.
Whole. Then what goes around it?
Integers.
And then what goes around it?
Rational numbers.
Which one matches? Stephanie has 3 3/4 bags of soil in her garden. Each bag of soil will cover 125.3 feet. How many square feet will Stephanie be able to cover if she uses all these bags of soil? What do I have to do?
Well, first, what I would do is convert 3 3/4 to a decimal.
Okay, 3 3/4 to a decimal. Which is 3 7/75. Then what? Okay, which one am I doing? I heard divide and I heard multiply. Why? What word tells me to multiply? Each. Okay? Multiply. What is 3 3/4 close to? Huh? What about this?
It's still kind of like.
Open the blinds, please. That might help offset some light. Hold on.
I like some pencil shadings.
Okay. Get a sheet of paper and make it become like a broom. Kind of use there's paper back there.
Oh,
Okay. This one, hold on.
There
There we go. All right, what's 3 3/4 close to? 4. So let's multiply this by 4. 125.3 times 4. 4 times 3?
12.
4 times 5 plus 1.
21.
4 times 2
8.
plus 2.
10.
And 4 times 1 plus 1.
6.
5. Which number is closest to 501? 469. Okay. The table shows the prices of some breakfast items at a restaurant. Sarah ordered 2 eggs, a slice of bacon, and a glass of orange juice for breakfast. The sales tax for the order was 48 cents. What do I do with tax? She paid for her breakfast with a $10 bill. How much change should Sarah receive from the $10 bill? How much food did she get?
1 egg, slice of bacon, and glass of orange.
Okay, so what do I do with the 2 eggs? Times 2. Okay, how many slices of bacon? So this is times 1. And a glass of orange juice, this is times 1. So 169 times 2. 2 times 9? 2 times 6 plus 1? 2 times 1 plus 1. 338 for the egg. Then what? And 9 plus 9? Plus 8 more. Not 16. 26. 2 plus 3? Plus 4. 3 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, if I take, what am I supposed to do now? Add the tax. What's the tax? 6 plus 8? 1 plus 9 plus 4. 14 again. 1 plus 5. 644 is the cost. So that's my answer, right? I heard some yes, I heard some no. Tell me what to do. Yes. Subtract what? Minus 10?
No, you subtract it from 10.
Subtract it from 10. So what's 10 minus $6? So it's $4.75, right?
No.
I still have to take away what? The change. So if I take 44 cents away from $4, where will I end up? Will I end up at 5? Will I end up at 4?
No.
A has to be my answer. Make sense of these questions. There are 40 houses in a neighborhood. Company X provides 1/8 of the houses to electricity for them. Company Y provides 2/5 of the houses with electricity, and Company Z provides the remaining houses with electricity. How many houses is that? What am I supposed to do? Convert what?
The 1/8 and 2/5.
To what?
Decimal.
Why?
Because it would be easier.
No, it wouldn't. What does of the houses mean? It means multiply. Okay? We're not doing that. That's extra noise. Multiply by what? 1/8 by what? 1/8 of 40. Which is what? No. Just what? Just 5. Not 5 out of 40. Then 2/5 of 40. What is this? 16. How'd you get it? Where'd you get 8 from? So 1/5 is 8. So 2/5 is 16. These are houses, by the way. 16 houses. So this is 5 houses. This is 16. And this is X. What do I do with 5 and 16? What's 5 plus 16? So 16 plus 5 equals 21. So that's my answer, right? Good. What's 40 minus 20? You're not listening to my question. What's 40 minus 20? 20. So what's 40 minus 21? 19. I need to go down one more. Still can't see? Could be the pencil. Let me try writing with the marker. 1/8, 45.
It's better, but it's still like blurry.
Okay. Number 5. This week, Andres will practice with his band for 1.5 hours on Monday. 1 3/4 hours on Tuesday, and 2 hours on Wednesday. Next week, Andres will practice with his band for the same number of hours on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. So what am I doing to each number of hours? Multiplying them by what? Doubling them. So times 2 for Monday through Wednesday. What is the total number of hours Andres will practice with his band over these 6 days? So I need 1.5 times 2. I know you are not clicking what I just told you to stop clicking. 1 3/4 times 2 and 2 times 2. Which one's the easiest one to get out the way? Which is what? 4 hours. 1 3/4 times 2. Well, what's 1 times 2? And then what's 3/4 times 2? 1.5. So what's 2 plus 1.5? 3.5. Wait, is it 1.75? Let's double check. 1.75. 0, carry the 1. 5, carry the 1. 3.5. You're correct. And then what's 1.5 times 2? Good. 3. So 3 hours, 3.5 hours, and 4 hours. Now what do I need to do? Add them. What's 3 plus 4? Plus 3 more. 10 and 10.5 hours. Which one says 10.5? Be careful, it says 6 days there. Okay? What is the value of the expression -9 times 2.2? What's the song? Same signs, add and keep. Different signs? Keep the sign of the greater absolute value. Then you'll be multiply or divide. It's an easy. Same signs are and. Why would I have a negative answer when I am multiplying two positive numbers? Same signs are positive. Different signs are. Do these have the same sign or different signs? Different. So this is not, meaning it is negative. 2.2 times, 2.2 times 9. 9 times 2?
18.
9 times 2 again plus 1.
19.
Where does my decimal go? And what kind of 19.8 is this? A dolphin travels through the water at a speed of 25 kilometers per hour. Which representation shows the distance a dolphin can travel at this rate? Okay, in 1 hour. How far does it go?
25.
In 2 hours, how far does it go?
50 kilometers.
In 3 hours, how far does it go? In 4 hours, how far does it go? Okay, what am I doing to my 1 to get 25? So this is times 25. Does this relationship show times 25?
Yes.
So this could be it. What about this one? Is time supposed to be down here? That means if I travel 25 hours, I'm only going 1 kilometer. No. Am I adding 25 to each one? No. In 5 hours, he would have gone 135. No.
25 times 5 is not 135.
What is 25 times 5? If I have 5 quarters, how much money do I have? How much? 125 cents or $1.25. Okay? So the answer has to be A.